This is the key for you not to lose anything. Ask yourself a question. Do you want to let go, or do you want to lose everything? Bạn muốn buông bỏ hay là bạn muốn bỏ mất? To let go of what and to lose what? To let go here is that you let go of your anger, you let go of your craving, you let go of your attachment and your expectation for everything. What you see, smell, hear, taste, touch, and think. Don't get stuck on any part of it. The moment you see, you return it for what itself. The moment you hear something, you return the hearing to it. And the moment you smell something, this is when you return that smell to whatever that is. This is what it means when you learn to let go, when you practice to let go. Responsibility is responsibility. All of us, we must work, we must keep moving on this body, we must be active, we must be responsible for our own life. What I'm sharing here is about our state of mind, our state of awakening, and how we really see life and understand life. It's just like when you go into the ocean and you swim in the ocean. You cannot bring the ocean home with you. And if you wanted to, you still cannot bring it home anyway. You swim, and then you just let the ocean be. Same thing with your life. Whatever you are going through, it's time for you to face with it, to take it lightly, to take it at ease, to open your mind to see the impermanence of all things, so that you can let things go easy. Because when you let things go, everything will be there. And if you don't let it go, if you want to hold on to everything, then guess what? You will lose everything. For you to see this, take a moment to yourself. Nothing ever gone. Everything is here for you to enjoy, to be happy, to live. Like the drop of rain, when it drops into the ocean, that's it. Keep moving on. Cũng giống như một hạt nước khi nó rơi xuống biển thì cứ vậy mà đi. I hope everybody have a wonderful day. Smile and keep it fresh. Buddha love you, and so do I.